When you start complementary feeding, I think all Indian cultures celebrate this. Across cultures, there are few common ingredients. This invariably is rice, milk, sugar in different recipes, different combinations. When it comes to science, salt and sugar are absolutely important. Looking back in history, agar say 1700s, the first food that was then fed to kids, अगर यूरोप में देखे तो it used to be bread and water. अगर एशिया में largely देखे तो again milk and rice. And once the baby accepts this, then you adjust the amount of sugar or jaggery or honey in these foods. चीनी बहुत जरूरी है. The stomach size is very small. Now the baby is going to eat less, but the maximum growth is happening at this time. The baby needs energy for that kind of brain development, cognitive development, gross motor skill development, muscle development, bone development. इतना कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन tummy size छोटा है. इसके लिए energy dense foods देना जरूरी है. The most energy dense foods is sugar foods, ghee, along with the recipes that you already know of. So ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है और ये बहुत गलत है कि हम चीनी नहीं देते हैं. 6 to 7 months पे आराम से शुगर इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. हाँ, वो जो कैंडी होती है जिसपे लिखा हुआ है शुगर फ्री, वो तो हम दे देते हैं, लेकिन हलवा में हम चीनी के अलावा सब कुछ डाल के बच्चे को खिला रहे हैं. खीर मीठी करने के लिए कुछ भी डाल रहे हैं, बस चीनी नहीं डाल रहे हैं. दिस इज रॉन्ग. Speaking of salt, it is also important, just as important as sugar is. India is one of the highest ranking in terms of iodine deficiency. The IDD syndrome is most common in our country. In fact, in India, we have iodized salt, and that is for the reason that iodine is not present in the many foods that we eat on our plate. So we should not cut down on salt or sugar. These are needed, and it is high time we just know this as a fact.